Take a ride in the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice activated navigation system. Come see the car for yourself.